Hi guys, and welcome to eMedia Coach. Josh here, and today we will be learning how to use this pop-up plugin on WordPress. As you can see here, I have a pop-up showing when the user comes to the page first, and if they close this, we still have this top banner here which they can click to shop for some more deals. I just have it linked to Google for now, but we can link that into our online store or anywhere else we want on our website. So before anything else, let's jump into it. From our WordPress dashboard, the first thing we're going to do is install the plugin. So we're going to go over to plugins on our sidebar and add new. The name of this plugin is Icegram, so we'll search for that. And it's the first one here, pop-ups, welcome bar and opt-ins. So we will install the plugin. And once that's installed, we will click activate, which should bring us to the settings of the plugin itself. So here we are in the settings of the Icegram plugin. The first thing we want to do is see the campaigns. These are some that I've set up previously, and this is the default pop-up that comes with the plugin. So what we will do is click edit, just like we would with any other page or post on WordPress, and you can name it. So here it's just named My First Icegram Campaign. So this will be the headline text. This is text that is slightly larger than the paragraph text, and we want to name this what we want to stand out to the users. It'll be slightly bigger, bolder text. So I've said sale now on 50% off, and in the smaller text, buy now for 50% off anything. We can say anything in store. We can then animate how it will appear, so we can have it slide in, appear, or no animation at all. I'll select appear, and then we have the button. So this will link off to anywhere on your website or anywhere else on the web. I just have it linking to Google for now, but we can name the button anything we want. So I'll just say shop now for deals, and we can have it open up in a new tab. We can either use the colors from our theme or select them ourselves. I'll just keep it with the theme just to keep it nice and consistent throughout the website. We can add a custom code for the message if you know any CSS or JavaScript that you want to add yourself. So we can then go to display rules in the menu up here, and you can say where you want your pop-up to appear. So I have it currently set on only the home page. We can select to have it on any pages that we want in particular. You can have it only on the store or only on certain pages, or you can have it site-wide on all pages. I'll just keep it on the home page for now. You can also say to schedule when you want your pop-ups to happen. This is really useful if you know you're going to have a sale on from July 16th to July 23rd, and you don't want the pop-up to be showing to the user anytime apart from these specific dates, as that's when you plan to have your sale in your store. I'll just keep it on always for now. You can have it to only show on certain devices. So you can show it only on mobile, which would be like this, or you can have it on all three, 1, 2, it doesn't matter. You can also have it to show to users who are only logged in or only not logged in. So if you want people to sign up to your website, you would say only to not logged in users, as people who are logged in are obviously already signed up. But we'll keep it at all users. And the last setting here is very useful, as pop-ups can be annoying if they're happening every time you reload a page. So you can say do not show again on the current session. You can say do not show again today, for the next week, 2 weeks, for the next year. We'll just keep it on current session for now. So then we can update, which will save all of our settings, and preview the campaign, which will open up a new tab, and we should have our pop-up showing here. So this is all the text that we've added in, and the button that we've added in to shop now for deals, and if we click this, it brings us to Google, as that is the link that I have told the button to go to. So if we close this and we open up a new tab, refresh the page, it should give us our pop-up, which it does. Another kind of pop-up that we can use, if I go back to my campaigns, is a pop-up that will appear when the user opens the page in a lightbox type format. So to show you what this looks like, I can preview and it will appear like this. We can change the color of the text, the button, we can add an image in here to fully customize how you want the user to see the pop-up. If you find this interesting, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content on WordPress plugins and other WordPress tutorials. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.